Okay, so hi dear Aquarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal of reading for all the Aquarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 15 till the 21st of September. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Let's see, Aquarius, the overall energy for the connection for you guys right now. We have the Four of Pentacles. So, Aquarius, both of you are holding on to something very tightly. It can be negative, it can be positive, but there is certain kind of stubbornness in the situation, and both of you are refusing to let go of that stubbornness. Like, no matter what, I'm going to hold on to this thing. This is very important for me. This is something that I'm never going to let go of out of my life, out of my system. So just because you guys are not able to let go of something here in the situation, both of you are definitely not able to come on the same page the way you guys should. It's like one of those energies where both of you are like, okay, let's play tit for tat. If you are going to hurt me, I'm going to hurt you. If you are going to hold on to grudges, I'm also going to hold on to grudges. If you're not going to open up, I'm also not going to open up. Let me show you who I am. It's like happening from both the sides, maybe not violently or aggressively, or punching each other or something like that, or slapping each other. Maybe not like that, but it's definitely the energy of holding on to something so tightly that you guys are not able to release that, and both of you are not able to open up even if you guys want to, because of one person's stubbornness. The other person is mirroring the uh, stubborn person's energies. They're like, okay, they want to play a game, okay, let's play the game. So the lesson here, the message here for both of you is to let go whatever you are holding on to, whether it's too much of positivity or too much of negativity or anger, guilt, or whatever it is that you guys are holding on to. You guys need to release that and see the reality of the situation, and try to come on the same page as two adult humans and try to sort it out. Because until unless you guys are not going to let go of whatever you're holding on to, this situation is going to go in circles and nothing good is going to come out of that. Now it's your choice what you want to do about it. Let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now, Aquarius. We have the Knight of Wands. See, this is in and out, on and off, very impulsive energy, very passionate but impulsive energy. This is one of those people, one of those situations that gives you adrenaline rush, that gives you butterflies in the stomach, and they vanish. Yeah, that is the person that you're dealing with. So they're feeling extremely passionate about the idea of coming forward and doing something about it, but in an impulsive way, not in a grounded, mature, stable way. Let's clarify the Knight of Cups. Sorry, Knight of Wands. Uh, Knight of Wands. We have the Ten of Wands, the King of Swords, and the King of Cups, right? So this on and off, in and out, is making them feel bored now. Now they're bored. Now they're feeling like, okay, they should have something stable, something mature, something grounded. Now this person is feeling some kind of grounded, mature, and loving and compassionate kind of feeling towards the situation, or at least they're trying to change their ways, to change their behavior, so that they can be counted as a mature and sorted person. So it's burdensome, it's heavy for them to keep on going like this. By the way, this person might feel like you are the one who is on and off, in and out, and you give them butterflies in the stomach, but there's lack of stability. And they feel like somehow at some point of time you might change because you have the potential. Take it how it resonates with you, but this is what I'm getting here. Either if they are the one on and off, in and out, they feel like they should change their behavior and energies, and they should become more mature and more grounded now, and loving and compassionate. And if you are the one who is on and off, in and out, they feel like you should change your behavior. What is this behavior, Pooja? That was the Big Boss theme some years ago, I guess. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Aquarius? Five of Cups. So, from your side, you feel very disappointed. There is a sense of loss here, there is a sense of disappointment here, there is a guilt and or regret. If not that, a lot of pain. You're highly, highly disappointed by the way things are going. It's like crying over spilled milk and not trying to see the positives. So basically you feel like all you can see in this situation is negativity, no positive things whatsoever. Let's clarify the Five of Cups here. We have the World card, the Seven of Cups, and the Queen of Cups. You know, you feel like you should end this confusion, you should end this emotional confusion, emotional burdensome and heavy energies. Someday they are giving you something, telling you something, saying something else, doing something else. So basically you feel like this person's actions doesn't match with their words, and you are done with this being confused about the situation all the time. Now you are feeling like you should just work on yourself, your emotions. You feel like going inwards and healing yourself properly instead of participating in somebody else's immaturity and games. You know, we always think we are right. Sometimes we are so wrong that we don't realize it. And after few years, not months, not days, after few years, we understand, oh, this was something that I was doing that was wrong. Similarly, this is the case with you. There is something that you are doing that you might not be able to recognize right now. You will eventually. For the time being, you feel like you should go inwards and work on your emotions, your energies, and let go of this confusion and on and off and in and out energy, because all it is giving you is sadness and anxiety and stressful energies, painful energies actually. Everything is same, I guess. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Aquarius? Aquarius. Ten of Wands. They want to drop this heavy and burdensome energies. They are done with this on and off, in and out, hurt, and now it's bothering them. This heaviness around the situation is bothering them. Okay, let's clarify the Ten of Wands. Come here, honey. We have the Three of Swords, the Ace of Swords, the Devil. Yeah, they they want clarity, proper, clear cut answers. They want to get over this heartbreak, this painful energy of continuously being obsessed about what they did wrong, what went wrong in the situation, what they could have done, should have done better. So it's like these thoughts are eating this person all the time. This is breaking their heart now that they were not able to have that kind of healthy connection with you the way it should have been. Now they want to get over this heartbreak, this pain, this realization that's weighing them down. And now they want to steer clear of all the unhealthy attachments, all the toxicities, negativities, codependent kind of energies. Now they want to be very, very clear about the path ahead of them regarding what they should not do again in this love in this department of their life. This is actually a very good realization. This person is learning it the hard way, but they are at least trying to learn it properly. This time it's like, you know, they are heartbroken and they are feeling very heavy. I can sense the heaviness, but they want to cut this crap now. They are like, okay, let me cut this heaviness and this pain with my ultimate clarity and truth. about what I should have done better. They messed up, they fucked up, and they are realizing it now. And now they want to improve. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Aquarius? What could be the possible intentions? Five of Pentacles. You just want to get out of this feeling left out in the cold kind of energy. Basically, you just want to get out of this victim mode and get your power back. You know, Aquarius, I love all of the signs a lot. It's not like that. Like I have no grudge or anything like that towards anyone. Anyone, but Aquarius people fake a lot when it comes to the healing part. When it comes to the genuinely going through the process, they fake a lot. I'm fine. I'm okay. Everything is fine. Nah, 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 nah. They carry a lot of heavy and burdensome energies inside of them. I have seen a lot of Aquarius people in the readings also, and otherwise also. And when they are adamant, when they think that something is right, they think like that only they are right. Right now, also, what is happening is, even if you are hurting, even if you are feeling like a victim in the situation, you're feeling like you did nothing wrong at all. Please go back and try to understand what you did. Maybe you gave this person chances over chances over chances, and that was your stupidity. Maybe you felt like they are going to change or they're going to love me or something like that was your stupidity. Take the accountability of your stupidity also in the situation. That's very important. That's what I'm getting out of this whole situation. I'm sorry if it's hurting you or bothering you. Trust me, I'm just trying to help you. Okay, and I'm not sorry about it. This is my job. This is what I'm meant to do. What I am meant to do in this, maybe not the whole lifetime, but at least for the time being, it's what fine. Let's clarify the Five of Pentacles here as your intentions. Nine of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, the Three of Wands. You genuinely wants to be happy. Genuinely, you just want to have a stable, safe, and secure future. Bring me the money, honey, kind of deal. And you want to move forward, and you don't want to think about the past at all. Like you want to wipe the past clean slate kind of energy. Like, okay, there's no past, there's nothing. All I am is happy. I have a lot of money. I'm moving forward, going on world tour, enjoying my life. That's the problem. You don't want to do the work, internal work that it needs to create this reality of yours. You just want it, but you are refusing to do whatever it takes to have it. And a lot of you would do that. It's not like only one or two or some of you, right? Okay, I want a Lamborghini, but I refuse to work for it. I don't know how I'm going to get it. That's what's happening with you. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys till the 21st of September, honey. Aquarius. If I'm hurting you, it means I am shaking your energies up. You should love me, guys. Because if somebody is hurting you with the truth, they are your friend, not your enemy. If somebody is sugarcoating and giving you false hopes, even if they pretend to be your friend, they are your enemy. Understand the difference, my love. So death is there, transformation is there, huge transformation is there. Let me clarify the death card here. Something is ending or transforming, and it's never going to be the same again. Let's clarify the death here. We have the Two of Wands and the Four of Wands and the Knight of Pentacles. You wanting something stable, something long term, you wanting a particular commitment, a particular kind of commitment, you waiting for that thing to happen is ending here. You are very slowly, very slowly, but gently moving towards stability, maturity, and groundedness in your life. You are no longer waiting for someone to show up on a white horse with roses and all that, or waiting for a princess out of your dreams to come forward towards you and give you that commitment kind of energy, marriage kind of energy. And even if you guys are married to each other, you are no longer interested in saving a marriage that's already dead. You're like, I have done this, I'm done, I'm gone, and now I want stability and safety and security, and I'm going to move in that direction. You are taking a little bit of responsibility of genuinely healing yourself. Little bit, just starting it. Still stuck, but at least trying, starting. So in the outcome, I do see a chapter of your life is over, a phase of your life is over where you were waiting for someone to show up in your energies for commitment or marriage or something like that, and now you are still stuck, but slowly but surely moving ahead, like, okay, I have to do it. Cool, good for you. For you, the guidance here is the Page of Pentacles. See, this is the clean slate of your life. But for this clean slate to go in a positive way, the way it should, you guys have to do the deep rooted internal work. This is the fourth, fifth time I'm telling you this in this or this single video. You guys have to go through the process, and it's going to be shitty, it's going to be up and down, it's going to be high and low. But once you are going to get there, after this transition phase, healing phase, you are going to have a genuine clean slate in front of you. That you guys have to earn it, Aquarius. Yep. So let me answer one of your questions regarding your love and relationship area if you're interested, or otherwise you can leave the situation here, reading here. So close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question related to your love and relationship area only 3 times in your mind. Keep it short, precise, and simple. The same question 3 times. And I'm going to give you 10 seconds for the same, and your time starts now. Okay, honey. So the answer to your question is let go. Let go. This is self-explanatory. I am not going to explain it, but you have to let go. Whatever it is that you're holding on to. This reading started with the holding on to something, someone, I think, very tightly, and this reading ended with letting go. Synchronicity. Anyway, so we are aligned. Thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste, honey.